Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Notifications or Apps and Notifications. You need the device unlocked and your screen lock active so changes apply. Select a sample app that currently shows on the lock screen. This gives immediate feedback. Once you tap that app, you'll see notification categories and lock screen options. This is where you start making precise choices about visibility and behavior. Next, dive into each app's notification categories. You'll edit channels rather than only global app toggles. For each category, set importance to low or disable pop-on-screen behavior so notifications stop appearing on the lock screen. If the option exists, select Show Silently or hide sensitive content to keep messages private. Make sure to repeat this for messaging, email, and calendar categories. Once done, test by sending a message to confirm notifications no longer appear. Finish by setting global lock screen behavior. In settings under lock screen or security, choose Don't show notifications or hide sensitive content for a universal fix. This overrides some app settings and stops previews. If notifications persist, reboot the phone, clear the app cache, or update the app and Android system to remove bugs. If that fails, temporarily disable Smart Lock or Biometric Unlock. Those can expose notifications. Once resolved, re-enable them and verify the lock screen remains clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.